Welcome to page 6, part B. Let's take a look at page 6, part B. As you look at problem number 4, once again we need to find the slope or the rate of change, the y-intercept, and then we need to write an equation. In this case, our intercept is $30. So we know this is a non-proportional relationship, and we are going to write an equation based on mx plus b equals y. But if you look at problem number 5, we see that the line passes through the origin. The intercept here is 0, and we will use k times x equals y to help us write our equation. And then lastly, for problem number 6, we see the intercept is $20. Well, if our y-intercept is 20, this is a non-proportional relationship. So we will use mx plus b equals y to help us write the equation for that line. Let's complete number 4 together, and then you will complete number 5 and number 6 on your own. Once you're done with number 4, when we finish that together, you will pause the video and complete 5 and 6 on your own, and then turn the video back on to check your work. Let's take a look at number 4. Remember, to find the rate of change or the slope, we need to look at delta y and delta x. We need to look at that ratio. In this case, our x values represent the number of hours, and our y values, well, they represent the total charges in dollars. And each block is worth $10. 10, 20, 30, etc. So let's check our rise over our run, or our delta y over delta x. Let's connect these points that we've been given. If we put our pencil point right now at the y-intercept of 30, if we rise up $20 and we run 1 hour, we arrive at the point 1,50. Let's do that again. Rise up $20 and connect to 2,70, run 1 hour. That means our rate of change is $20, that's our change in y, over 1 hour. And if we divide, we get a value of 20. So as we write our equation, our m value is 20, and of course, our intercept, our b value, is 30. So 20 times every hour x plus a start value of 30 equals y. Now, turn off your video and write an equation for each one of the given graphs. For number 5, you should have gotten $9 per 2 pounds, which gives us a unit rate of $4.50 per 1 pound. And when we simplify, we get 450. So you get 450 times x equals y. And as we move to number 6, you should have gotten $20 per 1 house. When you divide, you get 20. And we have an initial start value of 20. So our equation, $20 times every house X plus 20 equals Y. This concludes Part B.